Boy, it was so hot out here, I couldn't help myself. I had to go in that pool. Come on, let's go take the tour. Today I'm in Delaware, Ohio, in the secluded neighborhood of Olentangy Falls with its beautiful tree-lined lot. But what I really have to show you is the inside. This home was built by 3 Pillar Homes. It was modeled after their 2012 Parade of Homes entry. It has all the upgrades. Come on, you gotta see this. It even has a hidden room. Wow, this would be my wife's dream kitchen with this large center island and a Wolf stovetop with Gen-Air appliances. We have the accent lighting. We have a beverage fridge and an eat-in space. And who wouldn't want to look out at that lovely view? Another thing I really like about this home is the open floor plan. You can see right into the kitchen, out to the backyard and pool area, and it's really great for entertaining. But Jeff, you really got to check out the owner's suite. Let's go. This is one of my favorite rooms in the home, the owner's suite, with its tray ceiling and built-in speakers. I mean, could you see yourself in here? You may not want to leave. And this is one of the largest owner suites closets I have ever been in. Make sure you check out our 3D tour. This home has over 5,200 square feet and we don't want you to miss any of it. Schedule a private tour today.